It's hot in Italy. You won't believe how hot it is. We are approaching 110 degrees Fahrenheit out there. So there's nothing better than something fresh, super quick. We are talking about the Gazpacho from Andalusia. And today we're gonna do it the traditional way, plus we're gonna create some pasta fredda with Gazpacho. Something that is going to be a delicacy that mixes two cultures together to give you this kind of blend of Mediterranean cuisine. At the heart of Gazpacho, there are tomatoes, just like this, guys, and they have to be fresh. You cannot do a Gazpacho with your canned tomatoes. It needs to be fresh. Here I'm selecting piccadillis. They are similar to dattarini, which are similar to cherry tomato, but they're a little more oblong and more sweet than cherry tomatoes. And then I selected some other funny named tomato. This is called cuore di bue. The heart of a cow tomato. Is unbelievably sweet and full of pulp with not so many seeds on it. And finally, this kind of San Marzano-like tomatoes are called boccetelli or boccettoni. I always forget. I need to just check this guy out. Boccelli, boccettone, boccettini. Moving on, after the tomatoes, we're gonna add peppers, bell peppers. This one in particular, look how beautiful it is. It looks like a horn. And then this kind of sweet green peppers. Another essential veggies for Gazpacho is the cucumber. And take a look at these onions right here. They're called tropea onion. We're gonna use just half of this one. It's pretty strong. And together with this garlic clove to top it all off. Obviously, we're going to use some bread as a thickening agent. As far as the ingredients for the pasta, we'll see you later. For now, let's get busy with the Gazpacho. And there's not much to do. We just chop roughly these vegetables and then we blend everything together, and that's it. In the meantime, don't forget to give me a like and subscribe to Piatto recipes if you haven't done it already. Let's rehydrate the bread. And while the bread is soaking the water, we'll start with the veggies. And why don't we start with the piccadillis? Piccadillis are cut. The boccetelli, take a look at it. There are no seeds, almost no seeds, very pulpy. And from a weird-ass name to another one, cuore di bue. How many names Italians give to tomatoes, they must really love it. And the funny thing is, before the 18th century, it wasn't very popular. This fruit, actually, revolutionized the Italian cuisine. Even the heart of a cow is really pulpy. Perfect. Don't worry about the skin. This is a recipe in which we blend the skin with the rest. I am pretty anxious about the cleanliness of the surface. It drives me nuts, so I have to just clean every now and then. Anal. I am very anal about cleaning. I just can't stand the stuff that accumulates in front of me. I said anus rather than anal, and the DP corrected me right away. Because anal is a much better word, right? I mean, come on. You could say I'm OCD, I'm this and that, but really, anal? Passiamo ai peperoni. Partendo dal rosso a corno, porta fortuna. Notice how small is the amount of seeds inside of this horn-shaped bell pepper. In fact, it's for good luck, right? So no seeds for good luck. Peperone bello va dentro. Anche questo lo facciamo a pezzettoni. There are not that many seeds inside of this, so they're just sticky, you know, they get into your hands and they don't want to leave. Cetrioli. So you can decide whether to leave the skin on or not. È freschissimo questo cetriolo. By the way, cetrioli is another key ingredient of another fantastic, fresh, summertime Italian recipe. panzanella, which maybe we're gonna show you soon in this channel, maybe. Let's remove the germ from the garlic, is better, which we call in Italian l'animella dell'aglio. This is our mix of veggies that we have. We're gonna add the bread into this thing. We squeeze it and we add it to it. And we're gonna blend this, guys, and then we're gonna add the rest of the ingredients. If you guys don't have something large enough to blend this amount of stuff, just divide it into 1, 2, 3 different portions, and then you combine everything together once you have it done. This is how it turns out if you use an immersion blender. It could be just enough depending on how you want it. Finish our gazpacho with olive oil, with paprika. So we added sweet smoked paprika, salt, pepper, olive oil. The fifth and final addition here is the vinegar, but it has to be good. It really makes a difference. Pick a very good white wine vinegar. We're going to mix it one more time by hand, and then we're going to transfer this guy to the blender, which is going to finesse the job. Changes even the color, is now more orangey, right? Because it blended much better than before. And here it is. So when we do use powerful blender, we need to always remember to not overheat too much our elixir. So if the blender is capable of blending really quickly, then we're fine. Otherwise, we need to add a couple of ice cubes inside to just cool off the mixture just a touch. This one is like silk. It coats your tongue really well. Tutta salute. If you want it thicker, add more bread. If you want it more watery, add more water. I'll try it as a drink, possibly even with a splash of vodka, a la Bloody Mary. Wow, delicious! È delizioso già così, immaginate con un bicchierino di vodka, come un Bloody Mary. Let's plate our beautiful gazpacho, and we complete it with something even more gourmet. I have a balsamic vinegar that dates back 1997. It's a potion. And finally, together with the balsamic vinegar, a few drops of rucola pesto to finish it off. And this one is ready to be sampled fresh, while the rest of the gazpacho we're going to use for the pasta. And the cold water will prevent the pasta from cooking further. Have you noticed how well the fusilli hug the gazpacho? I feel that it's one of the best pasta we can choose. There's such a smell of freshness. It automatically made me feel 10 degrees cooler. Pasta fredda al gazpacho. Yummy.